Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our social studies class with chapter 3rd, weather and climate. In this chapter we will discuss about weather and climate and climatic conditions and climatic zones and many factors that affect weather and climate. First is here weather. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular place for a short period of time is called weather. When we talk about weather, then weather is a short period atmospheric condition of a particular place. Like it may be in morning cool and at afternoon hot and in evening maybe just like hot. That type of changes takes place in weather. It keeps on changing from time to time. Weather may be changed time to time. Like it may be differ in morning, differ in afternoon and differ in evening. In the morning the weather may be cool at noon. It may be very hot and again in the evening it may be blizzard. So we can say that weather is the condition of atmosphere of a particular place. Like we are talking about sugars, then in sugars it may be in the morning may be cool and at noon it may be very hot and again in the evening it may be pleasant. Then we can say that weather of sugars is in the morning is cool and at noon is very hot and again in the evening it may be pleasant. That's all about weather. Now we will talk about climate. The climate of a region is the sum total of its weather conditions over a long period of time. Means climate is the sum total of weather of a particular place. If we are talking about sugar, then whatever sum total of weather conditions, like how many times yes we are feeling hot and how many times we are feeling cool, like that, that's type of criteria is going to be sum total. After that we are measuring climate. The climate of a region is the sum total of its weather conditions over a long period of time. Long period of time means all the time we are taking that data continuously. After that we will decide what the climate of that place. It is different at different places. It may be different of different places. Climate may be different for another countries, like in India weather may be different, in Africa climate may be different. Like that type of differentness we can watch that. After that, to determine the climate of an area, the daily weather conditions is taken into account for many years. It can't be decided in a short period of time. We have to take data for continuously for many years. After that we can decide that what is the climate of that place. After that we can say that the climate of that place is cool or hot or whatever. Changes in climate are responsible for the changes in seasons. Surely if changes of season is being there, then it may be because of climate. In India there are mostly 5 main seasons are there: summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn. This is about weather and climate. Once again I am going to revise. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular place for a short period of time. It's about a short period of time, means it may be differing complete whole day. It may be changed time to time. It keeps on changing from time to time. In the morning the weather may be cool, at noon it may be very hot and again in the evening it may be pleasant. But if we talk about climate, then the climate of a region is the sum total of its weather condition. Whatever weather condition is being there for many years, after that we are going to sum total of that condition. After that we will decide what is the climate of that place. It is different at different places. If any place is situated at plain, then climate may be different. Any place is situated at hill, then that climate is different. And if any place is situated at desert, then that climate is also different. So we can say that it is different at places of the world. To determine the climate of an area, the daily weather condition is taken into account for many years. Means if you want to know about the climatic condition of a proper particular place, then you have to note down the weather condition continuously. After that we can decide about that what is the climate of that place. Changes in climate are responsible for changes in seasons. Surely climatic changes is being going there, then surely changes in season is also be facing there. We can watch all that thing, because in India there are 5 main seasons. First one is summer, second one is winter, third one is monsoon, fourth one is spring and fifth one is autumn. Now we will talk about difference between weather and climate. First, weather, it is the daily condition of the atmosphere at a particular place. Means whenever we are going to talk about weather, then weather is the daily condition of a atmosphere of a particular place. Particular place means whichever place is going to be read or whichever place is going to be studied about that particular place daily atmospheric condition is known as weather. And if we talk about climate, then it is the average weather condition of a place over a long time. Means weather condition of last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, that type of average is going to be called as a climate of that particular place. Second, it may change many times during a day. Weather may can be changed many times during a day. We already studied like that. It may be cool in morning, hot in afternoon, and pleasant in evening. But climate, it changes after a long period of time. If we talk about climate, then it will be changed after a long period of time. Suddenly changes is not possible in climate. Third, it affects the daily life of people. Weather can affect the daily life of people because in the cool weather they have to use sweater, jacket, something like that, and in a rainy season they have to use raincoat and umbrellas like that. If we talk about climate, it affects the food habits, housing, transportation, and occupation. This thing we can see that about when we talk about the countries, most countries like that condition is like cold or something like that type of climates are there, then they have to use fur jackets and many other types of clothes they have to use, and food habits is also different and occupation also different because of that climate. And last one, the scientists who study weather are called meteorologists. Means the scientists who study about the weather is known as meteorologists, and the scientists who study about climate are known as climatologists. Once again I remind you, it is the atmospheric condition of a short period of time, like daily atmospheric condition of a particular place. And we talk about climate, then it is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. These changes can be taken many times during a day, but its changes taken after a long period of time. It affects daily life of people, but it affects food habit, housing, transportation, occupation, everything. Who study about weather is known as meteorologists, and the scientists who study about the climate are known as climatologists. Thank you.